Hello friends, welcome to you from Ether Store. Ether Store have a plan that can fulfill all your dreams. It comes with first ever 100% decentralized Matrix project. Decentralized. What does the meaning of decentralized and what are the advantage and benefit of decentralized? Decentralized marketing is great with an automated contract that offers you maximum security and stability. A smart contract is an automatic execution algorithm. It exists with the Ethereum blockchain, the number one cryptographic currency among those with which smart contract can be created. Smart contracts, like cryptocurrencies, decentralized. They work strictly according to the underlying program, with the possibility of subsequently changing the definite execution. The code that contains all the logic of the contract expiration is on the blockchain, and all calculations are provided by the million of computers around the world. It ensures that there is no risk of hacking into the smart contract and stopping the project. Let me know, how does EtherStore Matrix marketing works? EtherStore Matrix marketing is closed system with deadline for slot with a limited number of places and unlimited number of reinvests. In the Matrix, the referral link is fixed for the person who invite you. You always follow your superior partner to each of the slot he activated. Let me know about the registration process. When we start with the 0.05 Ethereum, it's divided into two parts. 0.025 Ethereum goes to EtherStore X3 and 0.025 Ethereum goes to EtherStore X4. First of all, we will talk about the EtherStore X3. All the partners in your slot of EtherStore X3 program are your personally referral partners. When you invite a partner, they take a place under you. The distribution of payment while filling out of the matrix automatically. Let me know. The first referral partner take a place under you, 100% payment goes to your personal wallet. It gives you 0.025 Ethereum because the slot value in X3 is 0.025 Ethereum. The second referral partner takes second place below you. It also gives you 0.025 Ethereum. When the third partner take third place below you, your ID will be reinversed. It open the same slot for you again and you continue to receive income from it. You take next free place in your superior partner slot. Accordingly, 100% reinvestment is transferred to your superior partner. Now let me know about the EtherStore X4. First of all, I will tell you one thing. It is your non-working income. How it works, let me know. In the parallel, the EtherStore X4 program is also work for you. Here is an overflow system is organized from above and from below. We are building a team together. They are maybe at least all of you invited, at least not one invited by you or mixed. Partner who take two places below you in the first line or two places in the second line of the higher. A 100% payment goes to wallet of your higher partner. Means both first and second places payment not goes to your wallet. Like this, when 3, 4 and 5 places are filled, you will get 0.025 Ethereum per ID. When the 6th position fill, it reinvest your ID. Now friends, let me know about the reinvest. Reinvest open the same slot for you again and you continue to receive income from it. Without reinvestment, the slot would close. Reinvest take the place automatically. As soon as you occupy the last free place, the current slot closes and goes to the archive. You reoccupy the free space in the slot with a higher partner and a new slot with a free place open for you. And 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. Similarly, your referral partner will have to reinvestment. You will be instant receive income every time. Let me know about the slots. EtherStore X3 and EtherStore X4. Each have 12 slots, all similar and work in the same way. Each subsequent slot in the 2 times more expensive than the previous one. Both income and profit from them are twice as high. Let me know how many slots can be activated immediately. Friends, it's as much as you want, at least all 12 at once. There is no expiry date, so you cannot be afraid that they will be burned. All active slots move and bring your revenue in parallel. Friends, if you want a more profit, you have to upgrade your ID. So let me know about the upgradation. Upgrade is the opening of the next slot of a more expensive level. It is done once at the first opening of the slot. The payment goes to your superior partner provided that he has a slot of this level. For example, if you're downline trying to upgrade more than your ID value, the system will inform you. System say if you not upgrade your ID, your profit will be goes to your superior partner. So making more profit, you have to upgrade your ID before your downline upgrade his ID. Now friends, let me talk about the overflow, overtaking and returns. You can overtake your superior partner by opening slot which he has not yet reached. Friends, in this case, you got up his superior partner to closest who has such level of the slot and the income goes to him. If he doesn't have this slot available, in the same way, you are already overtaking two superior until the system find a partner who already have active slot of this level. Referral link returns to the partner This means that when your superior buy this lot, then the next reinvest you will be again take a place under him. Look at the chart, it shows personal partner, overflow from below, and partner who overtake his superior. Now friends, we will talk about the profit. Friends, from EtherStore X3, you can earn 613.35 Ethereums. And as we know, Ether X4 is our working and non-working income. From EtherStore X4, we will earn 817.8 Ethereums. Friends, if you work, you can earn as soon as possible. Now friends, we will talk about the system recommended start option. System say if you want to make more money, you have to start with the 0.35 Ethereum. In this way, you will be buy 3 slot in X3 and 3 slot in X4. It gives you a huge boost and you can fulfill your all dreams. So friend, this is the best plan of this era, and without waste of time, you have to join it. For more detail about plan, you have to contact with that person who share you this video. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.